Assalamu alaikum friends, this is me Zishan here again with another project intro. So today I'm going to show you this web-based movie ticket booking system. At the beginning of my BS computer science degree, I was thinking about building something in core PHP because after my backend certifications, I was only practicing in Laravel. So at that time, one of my friend was going to complete his graduation, and for that he has to submit his final year project. So when he received the project requirements from the university, he shared that requirements file with me, and after reading that file, I thought that I should build it. With this, I can practice in core PHP and learn something new. So I started developing it. So let's talk about this project. This project is built in core PHP using Bootstrap, JavaScript, and mysql for database. So as you can see, this is the main landing page of this site. So there are two type of movies listed here. First are the upcoming movies that is going to be released soon, and in the second section uh, these are movies that are already released and being played in cinemas. So let's just log in as a user. So login option is here. Let's just first create a new user. So from here, this is a registration form for user, and let's say the username is John No, and his age is 33, male, and some address. And contact number, and just use this email address, and the password is 1234567 8 in reverse. So it's 8765432. Yes, okay. So let's click on register, and registration is complete. Please log in after 24 hours while we approve your registration. So yeah, this project have a functionality that when someone new register in this system, he will have to wait for 24 hours until admin approve that new registered account. So let me just go to admin side, and which is already logged in. So you can see I'm login as Zishan. Or here, this is the admin panel for this. All of these are dummy cards just to show some content. And here the user registration module, and we can see that the account, the person who just registered, which is John Doe, and his account is in pending state. Admin will approve this account by clicking this approve button. Let me just show you that he can also delete any newly registered account. So when we click over here and yes, I want to delete the user, and user deleted successfully. So let's approve this account, and it's approved. So now that John Doe can log in. So let's log in using those credentials, and yes, we are successfully logged in. So now I am logged in as John Doe. Before my login, you had noticed that at this client side it was showing as guest over here. So now after I log in, it shows the accounts username. These are the two separate pages. Now if somebody wants to book a ticket for any of these movies, of course these are upcoming movies, so no one these are not released yet, so no one can book any ticket for these movies. So but the user can see the movie details like this. So let's just open a movie that is already released, and let's look at that. So all of these movies are in cinemas now, being played in different cinemas in different time slots. So if we click on this Top Gun movies, you can see this. It says here that sorry, this movie is not available in any cinemas yet, please try again later. It is saying this because I haven't scheduled this movie in any cinemas that are available in the admin side system. Once I schedule any of these movies in any cinemas, like some cinema is playing this Top Gun Maverick movie on any day, then we will get that information from that cinema and upload that schedule in our admin side, so users of this site can book a tickets for that movie. So let me just go to admin site, and here you can see we have option of schedules. These two movies are already being scheduled for these cinemas, Cineplex cinema name, and the date will be the date on which this Red Notice movies will be playing, and these are the 3 time slots, and this is the price for one seat. So let's schedule another movie. Here is the Top Gun Maverick, and let's just use this CineStar and let's put the dummy data. Let's say this movie will be playing at CineStar on 20th of December, and the time slots will be 10 a.m. morning, and after 3 hours the other slot will slot at 2 p.m. Monday, and the third slot will be at 4 p.m. like this, and price for per seat will be, let's say it will be 500, and we save this schedule. Now when we go here in the user side and refresh the page, we can see that now this movie have these features where we have to select cinema, date and time slot with the number of seat we want to reserve. Single movie can be scheduled in multiple cinemas in different slots. And let's just say we schedule this movie in one more cinema, and first it was Cinestar. Now Cineplex is also going to play this movie, and this cinema will play this movie on 7th December. Sorry, it's just flu. First will be at 9 a.m., second will be at 1. Let me say 1:30 p.m. and the third will be 1, and third will be on 4 p.m. and this cinema will charge. This cinema is charging per seat to user like 300 per seat, and you can see that this movie is scheduled in 2 cinemas separately. And now when I refresh this, I can see second cinema in here. So let's just book a ticket. For example, I choose Cineplex Cinema, and Cineplex is going to play this movie on 7th December, and I want to watch this movie at 4 p.m. And you can see when I select the time slot, the seat that are available in that time slot are displayed here. And you can see I just scheduled this movie, so there is no pre-booked seat. So I will select number of seat I want to book in this ticket. So let's say I want 2 seats on row A, column 5 and A62, and you can see all of the other seats options are disabled. I can change it here from here by changing the seat numbers. Like I also want A7. So I want to tell you guys that this is the main feature that was new for me when I built this project. In this feature I learned a lot of things because I was really a beginner, so I really didn't know how I can loop these checkbox. I can loop these checkboxes in this way, in alpha numeric way. So this was a little bit difficult for me. It took I think it took a whole day. I was just googling about it, and I saw some articles from Stack Overflow and different examples on Google, but I didn't understand that time that how I'm going to show all of this scheme. Then I just took paper and pen and start writing a code for this. After some time I figure about it that this is how it's going to work. So I tried it and it's work. You can see all of that code in the GitHub repo. I'm going to provide that this project's GitHub repo link in the video description on YouTube. You can pull that code from the Git repo and you can explore this project. And this is not for this project is not secure, I think, for production mode, but this is just educational based project, so you can learn a lot of things from this. A beginner person who just entering in the web development field can understand a lot of things from this project. So let's just go forward and add ticket to card. I just clicked and it says reservation added to cart successfully. And when we click on cart over here, we can see that John Doe has booked a ticket for a movie named Top Gun Maverick. He is going to watch this movie in Cineplex and he needs 2 seats, and the price per seat is 300 and the total for this reservation is 600. So when we click on proceed to payment, this is how our order detail gonna look like, and here the user will add his credit card details and click on pay now. This functionality is not working for now, so you can add any payment method in this. If you want to convert this project in for production mode, you can use Stripe or any other payment API. And for now I just click pay now without any detail because this is not working for now, and pay button is just pay now button is just completing the flow, and reservation is created. We can see this reservation over here. This is how reservation will look like to the admin. Status of payment is paid. There are 2 seats that this person reserved for Top Gun movie, and he is going to watch in Cineplex on 7th December. And if we go again on that movie booking page, which is this Top Gun Maverick, and we select again that Cineplex Cinema, 7th December, time was let's say the time was 4 p.m. slot. I'm going to select that 4 p.m. slot. You can see that these 2 seats are displayed as already reserved because these 2 are already purchased by someone, although this is the same user, John Doe, but these seats are paid already, so these are unavailable for now. If John Doe wants to book again, then he can choose number of seats and choose any other seat from all of these seat scheme. So that's it at the users and in user side. These are the only features that we have. First is a home page, second one is a upcoming movies page, Third one is movies listed that are being played in cinemas, and uh, the flow of booking ticket. When we go to admin side in this project, you can see movies listed like this over here, and they are paginated. I think so all of these movies are like maybe it's 25 or 26 movies that I have uploaded in this project. Just to show you, you can see you have add new movie button over here, and where you can upload poster from here. You will have to place genre of this movie, IMDb ratings, and release date, and you can check if it's an upcoming movie or it's already released. If it's already released, you will leave this checkbox as it is, and if it's going to be released after some time, then you will check this is upcoming checkbox to make is to upload this movie. So, and here are the cinemas system. These are the two cinemas that I have uploaded in the system, and let me just show you how this cinema can be added. And we just say the cinema name is 5 star cinema, and the city is just say it's uh, Mexico, and just put some dummy address, street 5, block 3, and postal code 4200. Now this here is the trick. When you enter number of seats over here, this system is going to generate this scheme, alphanumeric scheme, seat scheme for you, that will show according to this number of seats available in that cinema. So when I say that this cinema has 40 seats in its hall, when I click on save, and yes, it's added. And now if I go here, of course I have to schedule this movie for this cinema. Let's just add a new schedule for Top Gun Maverick, and cinema will be this. Let's say that the cinema will play this movie on 7th December, 7th December, and this cinema have play slots like 10 a.m., 2 p.m., 2 p.m., and 5 p.m. And this cinema is charging per seat price 150. So this is a cheap cinema, and we generate this schedule which is over here. And if I click Let me refresh it, and if I select this 5-star cinema, you can see that this scheme is changed. According to that number of seats I have added when I added this cinema. The seats are 40 seats, and the system has made the seat scheme alphanumeric seat schemes for those 40 seats. So 10 seats in a row, 4 rows total are 40 seats. This is how this system works. You can see the code, you can learn all of these things from this project. Let's just show you some of code snippets. And I was setting this project to record this video. You will see that this is the main project folder. When you clone this repo, and there is an admin side, all of the admin functions that are performing the CRUD operations are in functions folder, and the views, template views are placed over here. These are the views, and these are the backend functions for these views, and the front end is all open over here. The function for the front end are available in the functions folder in the main directory, you can see. And I am also going to include the backup SQL file in this repo, so you can easily understand all of this project. So this is it, I think. There is nothing else to show in this project. Don't worry, all of I just want to make this video short as possible, so I didn't show you all of the CRUD operations, but all of these modules are working and you are not going to face any error. If there is any error, but I am sure there is no error in it, because I have tested all of this project. So this is it for now. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel so you can see all of the project that I have built in my full stack development career. These are the educational based projects. These projects are built when I was beginner, and I learned a lot in these projects. That's it for now.